Welcome back to my channel. My name is Prithviraj Gopal and thank you for sticking out with me. Now we're continuing to our next element in our periodic table series. If you missed our last video, you can go check that out right after this. Now let's get on with the video. Today we are going to learn about the element helium. Helium's symbol is He and its atomic number is 2. Its atomic weight is 4.0026 mu. In my last video, we described what that unit meant, so check that out at the 1 minute and 14-second mark. Helium, just like hydrogen, doesn't have any color, so don't confuse that with white, because white is still considered a color. Helium is like air, you can't see it because it's clear. When helium boils, it will be at least negative 452 degrees Fahrenheit, or in Celsius, negative 269 degrees Celsius. Helium's melting point is negative 458 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you're doing it in Celsius, negative 272 degrees Celsius. Now, let's look at helium's past. French astronomer, sorry if I pronounce this wrong, Pierre Jules César Janssen first observed the element that we call helium while seeing a total eclipse in 1868. This French astronomer saw a yellow line across the sky. However, that French astronomer thought it was sodium. So, technically, a man named Joseph Norman Lockyer saw the same line but recognized it as a different element and named it helium. But one of the downsides to this observation is that he thought it was a new kind of metal, not a gas, until we later discovered that helium was a gas. How about now we zoom into a helium atom and observe it? If we do this, we will see an atom with 2 protons, represented with the 2 blue balls, and 2 neutrons, represented with the 2 red balls. Since a helium atom has the same amount of protons and neutrons, it is not considered an isotope like hydrogen. In my last video, we described what an isotope means, and it was when the number of protons and neutrons are different amounts. To be more exact, the number of protons, an isotope is when a number of protons is equal to the element's atomic number, but the neutrons is different than the amount of protons. Just keep that in mind, because I won't be describing that meaning, different of these meanings, every video. Now, let's zoom out a bit. But first, let's start with the human body. Helium doesn't have a place to fit in our bodies. We don't have any helium in our bodies. There's 0%. If we zoom out a lot more into the whole universe, we will see, well, we can't really see helium. It's a gas, and it's clear, because it's color, it's clear. But we will find 74% of the universe is made up of helium. That's pretty interesting because there's so much helium in our universe, but none in our bodies. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Helium is also used a lot by us. A few ways that we use helium are pressurizing and purging, atmospheric control, laser processing, plasma arc coating, plasma arc melting, heat treatment, and of course, you probably know this, but pumping up party balloons with an unflammable gas. Yes, we used to pump up party balloons with hydrogen, but that was flammable. So it was pretty unsafe to use until we came across helium. Helium is a natural gas, meaning that it's not artificial. So us humans, it's not man-made. It's found in nature. Since it's found in nature, then it's found in nature. Because like, it's found in sorry. Its most common place in nature is found in natural gas deposits, which is a natural place, because helium is a natural element, so they're found in natural places. Yeah, it makes sense. Looks like it's time to say our goodbyes. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button too. If you want, you can hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is coming. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.